Hello YouTube! Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple and very effective and cheap phone stand. What you need is a toilet paper middle, this cylinder from cardboard, and a pair of scissors. What we do is just cut the thickness of the phone. 2 lines here and 2 lines here. Here we go. I'm doing it with one hand, so let's see how it goes. Okay, I suggest you just measure it. Then you just fold it in. After cutting the sides of this cylinder, we'll just push it in. And then we'll place the phone. And there you go. We've got our very easy, simple phone stand. Like, subscribe, and comment. Have fun and see you in the next one.